We spend a lot of time on kitchens, obviously, but that's not the only place where you can have cabinets. Give us some perspective on some of the other important parts of the home that you can help.
Oh yeah, bathroom vanities. I mean, getting as much storage as you can in a bathroom is always a pinch point for most people. I feel like our bathrooms are not that large here on Long Island, so anywhere where we can stick drawers or maybe a recessed pantry, linen tower, things like that. I personally love to do fireplace built-ins and like TV built-in surrounds, open bookshelves, that kind of thing. I've done closets before. I love kind of space planning. At the root of it, that's what I do, even in kitchens. So anywhere where I can help you kind of get some closed storage or plan a space better, like that's my MO.
And over on the commercial side, what's different about a commercial project versus residential?
Commercial has a lot more detail included in it that you need to know, but in a different type of way. There's a lot of factors when it comes to like ADA compliances and meeting code for inspections and things like that that need to be addressed more openly than I feel like in a kitchen or residential setting.
Got it. So for those listening, ADA, the American Disabilities Act, so ADA compliance becoming more and more, I don't want to say important. It's always been very important, right?
Yeah.
But definitely being a big focus for companies all across. So what are some examples of the ADA compliance that needs to happen with cabinetry?
In a well, I can give you one for both commercial and residential. The commercial one was a little new to me. I didn't realize on this specific project that I worked on that the wheelchair radius that you need in a kitchen would be a full 5-foot circle with no obstruction anywhere. So there was some adjustments, that I had to make, me and the installer, to kind of make this work with the materials that we had there. In terms of ADA in a residential setting, so it's kind of a new term, I feel like, that's been out on the market, which is called like aging in place.
Okay.
So a lot of us, get into these homes and like this is your forever home. This is where you're going to live out the rest of your life and spend your time. It's kind of smart to plan with ADA details. So that means like putting grab bars in showers and, in bathtubs now, or having wider walk spaces so that, God forbid, you need a walker to get through your kitchen, you can kind of maneuver through comfortably.
So whereas that may have been a consideration if someone was of the age to maybe consider that more immediately, you're saying that in the overall, whether residential or commercial, at any stage, you should be thinking about that.
I think so. I mean, I'm not up there yet, but there's been many a time that, I've personally been in like the shower and slipped a little bit and I, needed to grab onto something.
Sure.
It could happen at any time, and also think about it like this. God forbid, you could break your leg tomorrow and now you have to have a cane or a walker at any age. And now you have to maneuver through your home.